This is MikeBot. My M7 Max has finally arrived, no thanks to the useless Canada Post. I was supposed to receive this printer back around December 5th. Due to Canada Post's nonsense strikes every year, I'm just receiving it now. So this will be a really quick unboxing video, but I will have several other videos coming very soon on the M7 Max, including configuration and setup. So as you can see here, the box is huge. Massive. It's taking up my dining room table, so that's why I'm doing this quick as well. There's the iconic Anycubic smiley face. I had to show that on camera. Classic. Love this thing. Keep doing that, Anycubic. Now, like I said, this printer is huge, so wait till you see this thing. The leveling paper itself is massive as well. That's a large slice of paper. And there she is. Here's my hand in comparison to show you how big this freaking printer is. Anyway, stay tuned for the rest of the videos coming out very, very soon. MikeBot out.